Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take Sourav. I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I'm going to show you the VC runtime 140_1.dll file was not found. Error on Windows 11 means a program needs a missing Microsoft Visual CC Plus component. To fix this problem, open any browser and then open this site by searching for VC runtime 140.dll file. After the website open, download the VC runtime file. Make sure to check the architecture, that is the system type. For example, I have a 64-bit system, so I will download the 64-bit architecture version. After downloading the file, go to the path where you downloaded it, right click on the file and extract it here. After extracting the file, the VC runtime 140 file will appear. Copy that file. After copying the file, go to this PC, then go to the local disk C drive. Then click to Windows, then search for System32 folder, and after searching, open the folder and paste the copied file into the System32 folder. After pasting the into the System32 folder, go back and enter the syswow64 folder. After navigation to the syswow64 folder, paste the file you copied there, then close the all folder and open the software that was showing an error. Hopefully the software will open without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.